All right, guys, so here's our loadout for this weekend's adventure. We haven't been camping probably in about 2 weeks at this point. I usually camp every weekend, but I took a little bit of a hiatus, and now I'm ready to get back out there now that it's finally cooling down. So this isn't everything. I still have more stuff. It's gonna be me, my wife, and my son, but this is what we have in the rig so far. All right, guys, so we're just making our way here through this dispersed campground, trying to find a nice place to set up camp. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We just got to camp. This particular site is really nice. Has some shade content, so on and so forth. We got here a little bit late, but we're still gonna make the most of the evening. We're gonna go ahead and do our setup, and as soon as that's ready, we have all of our sleeping arrangements made and met. We'll go ahead and cook, and this evening we're gonna do steak, asparagus, and salad. Man, this is awesome, guys. So remember what I said about getting here late? Well, I was feeling kind of bad because, you know, my wife had to work and it was rush, rush, rush. Plus I had a lot of last minute errands and I've been editing all day. And yeah, it's better late than never. I mean, look at this moon, guys. It's actually coming over the horizon as we speak. And we have full views of the sky up here as well. We're right around 7,200 feet in elevation, and it's just awesome. Check out that moon, guys. Getting a little ahead of myself there. I just had to stop because I wanted to show you guys what we have. But here's some asparagus. I already gave my wife the head of lettuce. And now we're currently probing and digging for some tomatoes. Or if you're Spanish, tomate. And I already gave her the lechuga or lettuce. Alright, we even have some shredded cheese in here. And there's some adult beverages in here too. Oh, I have some chocolate. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get our skillet warmed up. And while it's warming up, we're gonna go ahead and season our steak. So the best thing about our piece of steak here is that it's not frozen. Bought this fresh today, so this should take our seasoning quite nicely. Man, that's a big piece of steak. There's 3 of us, so we'll each have a nice piece, just in case it starts dribbling. I don't want to get it on my camp table. It cleans up real easily, but So I just got done enjoying a delicious can of sugar-free Mountain Dew, and our second steak is going quite well. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our mac and cheese into the pot finally. I'm also gonna go ahead and drop a dab of butter in here. That much should be just about right. We'll keep that cocked. And go ahead and mix in our powdered cheese. So I'm currently waiting on our asparagus friend here to cook. But in the meantime, I thought I would go ahead and get into some of my salad here. Trying to wait until everything was ready, but I can't wait anymore. Yep, these are finished and ready to be pulled. Not the prettiest of plates, but I assure you, it is the tastiest though. Nice juicy bite. Dinner was absolutely delicious. We're gonna get into some of this guy right here. I always like to smell my beers or IPAs before I drink them. This one smells like an ale. So here in a bit, we're gonna hop in the rig here. We're gonna watch a movie and we'll enjoy the rest of our brew. Get our morning coffee going here. Up a little bit later than usual. I was up at first light, but it's a little lazy getting out of the tent, so I'm out now. Got the coffee going, and it's time to get our day started. Yeah, this is not who you want to see on your camping trip. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a tick. A few years back, me and the wife, we were hiking on the mountain here, same mountain that we're on, and our Chihuahua had actually picked up a tick, and we didn't know it must have been at least a week. We didn't know until we went rummaging through her coat one day, and she yelped, and then I found a tick not too far behind her collar. So I don't like to kill things, but this guy, he's gotta go. And this is right next to where our camp kitchen is. So we definitely want to get rid of him. And there's our Chihuahua. You ready for some breakfast? You want some eggs? Wow, they're even closer now. I was just telling my wife, these guys aren't even bothered by our presence. It's a female and her foal. That's cool. It's a healthy looking female. Yeah, it burrows. Flame on. Man, this bacon smells so good, guys. My wife wanted to sprinkle seasoning on these guys, but I wanted to flip them first. I like seasoning more towards the end of the cook. But you can season these pretty much however you like.
So I just cut up some garlic, onion, and tomatoes.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this in here. Oh yeah.
She's waiting for hers. Where's my egg?
Come on. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull our first omelet.
All Alright guys, so here's my breakfast. It's a cheese and veggie omelet with some additional veggies on top and some bacon. Yum.
All aboard. The Tampa Dan Express is pulling out.